In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT with Google Sheets and Zapier in 5 minutes. First, sign in to your Zapier account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as an automated workflow. It watches for something to happen, then performs an action for you. For the trigger, search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose New Spreadsheet Row as the trigger event. This tells Zapier to run whenever a fresh row is added to your sheet. Connect your Google account if you haven't already, then pick the spreadsheet and the exact worksheet you've prepared. It helps to have a clear header row in your sheet, labels like prompt, context, or whatever fields you plan to send to ChatGPT, and at least one sample row of data. That sample makes testing easier. Next, run the trigger test. Zapier will pull in the most recent row, so confirm it's the one you expect. If nothing shows up, add a temporary test row in your sheet and try again. Now set up the action. Search for ChatGPT or OpenAI in Zapier and add it as the action step. You'll see options like conversation or send prompt. Choose the one that fits your use case. Conversation is best when you want to keep context across messages. Send prompt is great for one-off completions from a single input. Zapier will ask you to connect your OpenAI account. Use the API key from your OpenAI account settings. Keep that key secure. Don't paste it in shared documents or expose it in your sheet. Once connected, map the fields from your Google Sheet into the prompt. For example, you might insert the prompt column into the main message to ChatGPT and include any additional columns as context. Test the action. Zapier will send your sample row to ChatGPT and return a response. Review the output to make sure the tone, length, and format meet your needs. If the results are too generic or too long, refine the prompt text in the action settings, then test again until it looks right. When your test passes and the response looks good, turn on your Zap. From now on, every time a new row appears in that worksheet, Zapier will send the data to ChatGPT and generate a response automatically. You can monitor activity in Zapier's task history, and if anything fails, revisit the trigger data or tweak your prompt for clarity. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets and ChatGPT with Zapier for a quick, reliable workflow.